Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is on integration. Let's say you're going to do this proficiently. So given that the second derivative of y is 2x minus 1, then dy dx is 6 and x is equal to 2. Find the increase in y when x is increased from 2 to 3. Okay, great. I think what we need to find is find y, right? So d square y dx square is equal to 2x minus 1. And we are told that dy dx is 6 when x is 2. Okay, great. So meaning we can actually find, so we know that dy dx is to integrate once more, integrate the second derivative. That will be dy dx equals to x squared minus x plus c. Okay, so from here, I know that dy dx is equal to 6 and then x is equal to 2. That will give us 6 equals to 2 squared minus 2 plus c. That will be 4, 2. So c is actually equals to 4, I believe. 4 minus 2, yeah. Then after which, what we can do is, we know that dy dx is given by x squared minus x plus 4. Okay, great. So now what you're going to do is actually just find y. Y is actually just x cubed over 3. Sorry, just integrate it. X squared minus x plus 4 dx. And what we get is y is equals to x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 plus 4x plus d. Okay, now actually this d is not so important, because what we need to know is that the increase in y when x is from 2 to x. So increase in y will just be y. So when x is 3, right, x is 3, increase from 2 to 3. So we're just gonna take y when x is 3 minus of y is x is 2. Okay, I just think presumably it's an increasing function. We could actually see that 4 minus 2, yeah, it's increasing function. Okay, so you just make, essentially increase in y just means that you know that y increase. I'm not sure whether is this strictly increasing or not. I'm just out drawing it. So when x is 2, so this is x, this is 3. Okay, so this will be y equals to 3. Y equals to when x is 3. Then this is y equals when x is 2. So that's about it. Okay, so the increase will mean that this is it, because the d will actually cancel off each other. So this will be 3 cubed over 3 minus 3 squared over 2 plus 4 times 3 plus d. Then after which minus of 2 cubed over 3 minus 2 squared over 2 plus 4 times 2 plus d. That's about it. Okay, so what we do is just, did you realize the d will just cancel off each other? Just key in calculator. This will be 33 over 2 plus d minus of 26 over 3 plus d. So the answer here, it will just be 47 over 6. So increase in y you can just put it as delta y. Okay, there you go. So that's how I do this question proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please let us know and I'll see you in the next question.